What's up, guys? It's October 28th, 2024. Hard day in the markets. Caught a couple legs, but ended up being red today. I stopped trading around here. Very sideways, gap up, sell off. We went range around, big up, big down. Market got consolidated. Daily chart, 45 minute. 3 dojis in a row. This is the overnight price action. So we have 3 dojis in a row. Here's that gap up yesterday, and we've just been sideways since then. The low of yesterday is 57 even, and I'm just looking at where is this? Yeah, so we still haven't hit the low from yesterday. That's pretty crazy. That's yesterday being Sunday, not Friday. Gap up, bar one's a bear bar. Not good for the bulls. Not the best for the bear because it closed above its midpoint. Bar 2 and 3. Now we have a 3 bar micro channel. Bar 4 is a pullback, and then we have a second leg here. We have 3 legs lower. It's implied leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Then it rallies sideways, second leg trap at range highs. Bar 12 gives the double top here. The high of 12 is 79.75. The high of 13 is 79.75. That's a equal double top right here. That's a double top. It's a lower high. We have a lower high here. Sells off. Another bull rally. It's a deep rally, but then that bar 13 gets its own second leg. Leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, pullback. Excuse me, leg 3. That was kind of a bad drawing. In trading ranges, we have to trade implied legs. So what does that mean? That means like tails. So here's an implied leg 1, pullback leg 2, implied wedge top, leg 1, pullback leg 2. It's a wedge top. It's implied. Yeah, what was today's range? 12 points for more than, so bar 23. For 4 hours and 50 minutes, we got 12-point range. That sucks. Hope you guys did all right. So where we get that sell off, pull back, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, deep pullback, leg 4 on top of the higher time frame EMA, and now bulls have a rally. This was a really nice rally. I thought it should get its leg 2, 30, 37, 38. Very deep pullback testing lows. Creates a double bottom, and the bulls vacuum up 39, testing the highs. Trading ranges, we get a lot of vacuum tests. That's what we see with these really big bars with no continuation, right? 45 is a nice bull bar, 45 is a nice bear bar, but bulls got 1R. 39 is a nice bull bar, but bears got 1R first. So that's a sign that we're in a range bound price action. Gaps are also closing. We have one bear gap that stays open. I think this is the gap, but it also gets tested a couple times. It gets tested here, and then all the other gaps, they close. We barely have gaps actually. In range bound price action, it's a trait for gaps to close, and that's what we got today. A lot of gaps closing. Just went sideways. You could argue this is breakout mode. I got trapped on 45. I got trapped on 45. I got trapped here. It was a hard day to trade. If you were profitable today trading the E-mini or micros, congrats. I do breakdowns on the E-mini, but I trade micros. Yeah, we had a rally, sell, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, and then bulls had there, leg 1, pull back, leg 2. And then here's an implied leg here. We can go leg 1, deep pullback, take it to the high of 44, and it's met and reverses right away. A lot of my trades were so I went like I remember right here I was only a few points away from my target. That was very frustrating for it to turn around on me. I think my target was like this, and then I entered around here. No, yeah, it was something. I think I entered on that bar because it literally came to my target just like that in reverse before filling me. Very annoying. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, and then we have an implied leg 1, leg 2 here. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. Then we have a rally 46, got followed through, pull back 48. We have a wedge top that goes more sideways. Here's the form of a wedge top. Here's a form of a wedge top. 55 sells off. deep pullback, 57, pullback, 50, 59, deep pullback, 60. See, so this is implied on 60. There's an implied pullback, it's the high, and then reverse lower. Sell off, pullback, sell, pullback. This actually sold like this and snap back higher. Again, it's a buy vacuum testing the previous swing high, 65. 2-bar reversal for the bears. Sells off leg 1, pull back leg 2, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, rally, and then we sell off EOD. Extremely hard day, I think, honestly. Even just talking about it now makes me realize how difficult today would have been, especially for us breakout traders. Not too many trades for us. You can take this for 1-to-1. I didn't take that, but I remember seeing it. Something of that nature, or you could just go for the bar. This is 1-to-1, this is 1.5R. So here's one trade. Bar 13 looks strong enough to get its own second leg. So if we did that like this, you could short above the EMA, not the best idea, or you can take it right here. Be the high of 21 being your EMA, your entry, or you could short here or here with that bear follow through. Here we have 2 bars, put out the high of the pullback, and that's met with 25, almost 1R. Maybe we short the low, and then 1R is not met unless you hold through these few candles here. There's a couple ways to play that bar. Here's a rally with a very deep pullback. You can actually see it's not 1-to-1 again, it's not met. And I'm trying to be conservative. Here we go, hold on. Maybe we do body to body, and 1-to-1 is barely met, but you don't really enter on the low of 37. So yeah, you get 1-to-1, but you're probably gonna enter as it's moving up, or if you have a limit order, you got your 1-to-1. 37, 38, strong enough to get its own second leg. Leg 1, very deep pullback. Leg 2, and that's met with 45. Oh, it's met with 43 as well. We can put that just over there a little bit. Let me turn off the actually. So here, and then we want to short the high, stop up here, and 1R is met on 43. And then this 4-bar micro channel is strong enough to get its own second leg. So we go here, short the high of 40, what is that, 43, 44, and 1-to-1's met again. Range days is more advantageous to go for 1-to-1s. I was going for 1.5R and I got slaughtered. Kind of frustrating. Between the other day and today, I kind of got ripped up. So here, 46 is a good, looking like a good strong bar. That should get continuation. It does. We buy the first pullback, 48. 1-to-1 fails actually. Your stop technically doesn't get hit to 78, but once you start to see a wedge top here, once you start to see that bull bars are getting no continuation. So every bull bar has really bad follow through. Sells off leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, pullback leg 4, 64, 65, rally, deep pullback. Go more sideways. It's really hard to count legs on the sideways price action. Excuse me. It's really hard to find trades today. You see, even these trades are kind of a stretch. They're not the best trades of the day. They are the trades that were available to us. I think if anything, this would be the trade of the day. Very hard to get in. Lots of overlap. And then gaps. Gaps in ranges get closed. So no gap. No gap. Small gap. Another gap. So now we have a rally with 2 gaps. That should get continuation. But since we're in range bound, 36 bad follow through, selling to the high of 25, it becomes resistance and we sell off. Bears get a gap here. That gets filled very quickly with bar 39. Sell, rally, sell, rally. I'm pretty sure there's no gaps here if I remember correctly. Yeah, there are no gaps here, guys. So those trades were far and few between today. I don't even know if I said that right. A little bit of a shorter review. We got a 12-point range. Hope you guys are doing good. Cherry Chick, thanks for that comment. That cracked me up. I actually forgot I said that until I saw you type what you typed. I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot I said that. So I appreciate you. Thank you guys for your support. I appreciate all the comments and you guys showing up. It's been a tough year for me, honestly, but I'm gonna get that paycheck. I'm determined to. Just gotta stay focused. I have the system. I'm gonna follow it. And I hope you guys are learning. Let me know what I can help you guys with. I'm willing to answer as many questions as I can. And if I don't, I will at least tell you it's in the course so I don't know the answer. I'm not gonna BS you guys. All right, guys. Thank you for your support. I appreciate your time. If you learned something, share the show. Don't be a hoe. I'll talk to you guys later.